Are you a feminist and do you hate men? This is a question that I got asked pretty much just like that in the same breath when I was out with my husband. And the person who asked was a man, and my response was a very relaxed, yes, I'm a feminist. I believe a feminist is a person who believes that men and women should have equal opportunities and equal rights. And yes, I like men, or no, I don't hate men. I have a great husband. I have a great relationship with my son, my dad, my cousin. I have an awesome son-in-law, as well as an awesome daughter, and 6 grandsons. And here's the thing, I believe that all of them and all of us women should have equal rights and equal opportunities. Here's something that's really interesting. When I graduated from college, which was a couple of years ago, it's been a while, a woman could not get a business loan without a man to co-sign. When my daughter got out of college, when my daughter graduated from college, a woman could not join combat roles in the military. Now, the reason for that is I don't know, but the result of it means they could not be in the highest levels of leadership, decision-making, influence, and pay in the United States Department of Defense. And so it matters. Yes, it is important to have women in leadership. And no, it doesn't mean that someone else can't. What I believe, okay, I get a little excited about this. What I believe is when the tide rises, all boats rise. And maybe you've heard that. So I've got some information that I want to share with you, some data about how it helps in organizations, as well as how it helps women's lives specifically when we are given opportunities to have leadership roles. Before I do that though, I want to share with you that later this month we are hosting a workshop that I'd love for you to check out. It's online for an hour, it'll be on Zoom. So go ahead and check the link in the comments for that. I also have a Leadership Accelerator Facebook page for women. It's a private community that you can join, share ideas and resources, and create community, which is something that is 100% important for women in leadership. So I'm so glad you've joined us today. I'm Julie Ulstrup, the Leadership Accelerator for Women. So here's some of the data. When women are leading in organizations at all levels of leadership, there's a different sense brought to the table, and you probably know this, but there are different characteristics that men and women have, you know, that create a better balance in the workplace, quite honestly. And there's some information, there's some data now too that shows that when an organization has women at different levels of leadership, that other groups are also feel more empowered. If they're groups that have felt disempowered in the past, whether by race or gender or other things, it creates a higher level of confidence that they're not being discriminated against, that there is fair treatment, and that possibilities are available for everybody. So the importance of female leadership, it's super powerful for us as individuals. Like I said, when I graduated from college, a woman couldn't get a business loan. Go figure. Here's an interesting thing too. Earlier this week, we celebrated the day that the 19th Amendment was passed, which is when women could vote. You know, it's been 100 years, and it seems like that's a long time ago, and it is, but it's not really that long ago. Like I said, you know, I couldn't have gotten a business loan when I graduated from college, and when my daughter graduated from college, she couldn't have joined a combat role in the military. She didn't want to, but you know, that's beside the point. And there are a lot of places now where, let me just tell you, the reason that I share this with you is because a lot of times women, and I've had ebbs and flows in my life, as I've shared in some of the other episodes, you know, we step back, we lose confidence. There's something that it's like, should I do this? Am I, you know, do I have a right to this? And 100%, you do have a right to have the life that you want, to live fulfilled, purposeful, and lead your own life. And so we teach these self-leadership skills in our workshop, and I would love if you would join us. I would love for you to subscribe to our channel, comment below, why do you think it's important for women to be leaders? Why do you think it's important for women to have self-leadership? Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm Julie Ulstrup, the Leadership Accelerator for Women, where we empower, support, inspire, and celebrate women to live our very best lives. Thanks a bunch, and we'll see you next time.